Thanks so much for taking a look at this recording on receiving notifications for designated coding agent events. Our tool helps ensure that you are alerted as early as possible whenever a coding agent might benefit from your input. It does this via customizable audio and visual notifications that are triggered by different coding agent events. Our tool frees you from having to actively monitor whether or not a coding agent requires your input. We created a Tori app to make it as easy as possible for users to customize their coding agent notifications experience. Via our graphical user interface, visual notifications can be turned on and off on a per-event basis. Audio alerts can be turned on and off on a per-event basis. You can arrange for different audio to play on a per-event basis. You can upload custom audio for your alerts. You can customize how Apple focuses affect your notifications. The Do Not Disturb mechanism that you silence your phone and laptop notifications via, that is an example of an Apple Focus. I'll share a quick visual reference of where Apple Focuses are managed, just because I was not, for example, familiar with the focus term prior to this project. I'll also showcase an example of custom audio that I uploaded and associated with the notification event.
Notification from Claude.
With the stop event.
Stop notification from Claude.
And here's an example of a visual notification that you can arrange to display if you need to, for whatever reason, silence your audio alerts. It takes less than 60 seconds to install and start using our solution, and our solution can be downloaded via clicking this button or using this terminal command. If you have any questions or want to connect on anything related to the tool, please feel free to email me or book some time on my calendar. Any and all feedback is, of course, so appreciated.